Let's see the step-by-step approach in order to communicate with the database with the help of JDBC. So we are using PostgreSQL database. So right click on database, then click on create and database, then write your database name here and click on save. After that, go on the schemas and you have to right click on the tables and create table. After that, write your table name. Here I am writing table name as teacher. Then go to the columns, then click on that plus button and add your column name here. I am adding ID here and give the data type begin, then primary key, it should be unique and not null. Then another column name, character varying the data type, add another address, character varying. Okay, click on save. Okay, so here is our table is created. Go on Eclipse. So here, go on the files, click on new, then other. You have to type Marvin project here. Okay, click on that Marvin project and click next and check that create simple project. Here you have to provide the group ID. Here I am providing com.jsp and the artifact ID, that is teacher crud. Then simply copy and paste it in the name field. Okay, and then click on finish. Okay, now expand the folder teacher crud, then go on src main. First we need to add the dependencies in the pond.xml file. Here I will add the dependencies .xml. So here I add the dependencies. Then we need to create a class. In another file I have already inserted. So click on src main, right click on src main, then other. Here you need to click package. Okay, finish. Here I am already adding com.jsp.teachercrud. Finish. Okay, now create class, other class. Okay, next. Okay, write your class name here and follow the conventions. Okay, here I created a class as insert. So the first step is to load the driver. First we need to load the driver here. So to load a driver, we are having a method name as forName, which is present inside in a class, and it is a static method and it will load the driver class into the memory and it takes string as an argument. So there we will provide the fully qualified name of the driver class. So here I provided. Okay, here we need to handle the exception as well. So I am adding the client catch block here. Okay. Yes. So the next step is this: establish the connection. So in get connection we have to pass three arguments, which is URL, username and the password of your database. So here I am writing the URL here, Jdbc okay. You have to import the connection here, which is present inside java.sql package. You have to pass the arguments in get connection method. Username is Postgres and here is my database password. Okay. Now you have to pass these three variables in this get connection method, user and password. Okay. Okay. So the next step is create statement. So it will act as a container where it will take or load the data from Java application and unload into the database. To create statement, we are going to take the help of create statement method, which is an abstract method present in connection interface. If we want to call this method, we need the object of connection. Connection object is already created during the establish step. Okay, here we are writing the query. So we are going to insert the values in the teacher table. So we are writing the query here. We need to pass the values. Okay. After that, here we need to import the statement present inside java.sql package. After that, we need to execute this query. So okay. So last we need to close the connection. So let's save this. Save this and run. So here we have the exception. Execute. Okay, here I miss codes. So let's run the code. Connection steps. Okay.